Okay, so this is my insanely obsessed dog. Sorry about the light right there. I have bad lighting in my room, and as you can see, it's dark. She's insanely obsessed with a laser, and once she gets a hold of it, she won't let it go. Watch this. By the way, I'm watching out Carla if you hear that in the background. Okay, so I hid it in the bottom drawer. Watch this. With my dog. Watch what happens. Okay, so get it! Look at her stare. Ah! Ah! Stop pulling! Ah! Yeah, look at this dog stare. Look at her stare. Stop it! Stop it! No. Ah, no, she got it! So as you can see, she's trying to go under the bed. Well, that's all. I just gotta get that laser from her before she chews it to bits, like she did this camera and every other flashlight in this house. Yeah. Let's see if I can find something that she's chewed up. Let's see here. Well, nothing at the moment. Oh, nah, okay, anyway, watch me press the stop button.